Maayong buntag, goedemorgen, magandang umaga. Sa ibo ang magandang umaga.
Magandang umaga.
Yeah, that's in Tagalog. Maayong buntag.
Dat was de Cebuano.
In Cebuano, maayong buntag.
I still don't know what it is.
So anyway, we are on our way to BOSCH, the nearest city from our place. And we'll drop by my friend's place, my Madam Sheila. We haven't seen each other for a while now. But no, ako lang yung pupunta sa bahay nila, no? Si Ruth and Anna will stay in the car.
Yeah, did you told them how many people?
Yeah, because it's not allowed. I mean, you're only allowed to have one guest per day. So, muna na, ganito ka-stricto na sa Netherlands.
No, but
Buti na
Anna doesn't
lang.
count.
Yeah, Anna doesn't count because she's a baby. But yeah, after that, we'll walk around the city. Siguro, are we gonna go to the park? Or
Yeah, but
like
it's
lake?
market.
Oh, we'll go to the market.
And you want to go to your Asia Oriental?
Yeah, of course, I'll go to the Asian store kasi wala na po akong noodles, no? And see what else I can find.
You're craving for Lucky Me. They don't have Lucky Me.
Yeah, naghahanap kami ng Lucky Me Pancit Canton kasi gusto din ni Ruth ng Lucky Me Pancit Canton pero sold out. So, even online, wala. Sold out eh. And wala ding Lucky Me Pancit Canton sa sa Asian store na pupuntahan namin pa. Pupunta na naman kami sa Amazing Oriental. Konti lang yung Filipino products na nila, na dala nila. So anyways, our Madam Anna is behind. Where's Anna? Ay, hindi. On the other side.
She's behind you.
Oh, ayan. I think natutulog si Anna. So anyways, earlier, our video was up where I cut
You shave.
where I cut hairs.
Shave.
Where I did Ruth's haircut. It wasn't so bad, I think.
That's why I'm wearing a cap.
See, that's why Ruth is wearing a cap.
Now up is still good.
Yeah, this one is okay, but here napasobra yung iklian dito ba? Shinave ko dito hanggang dito, so hindi siya magagandang tingnan. Pumunti kaming mag-away nung nag-haircut. Yeah. Oh, Apple CH commented on your link. I think Dennis told Apple that I'm gonna do his haircut too because Apple is commenting on the link now.
Maybe she's warned Dennis already.
Yeah. Anyway, pakita ko muna yung view dito, no, kasi gusto ko tong view. Yung palatandaan na malapit na kami sa BOSCH, ayan yung building na yan. After March, Papa, I'm gonna get a stabilizer. Not this tripod because it's still shaky.
You forgot to bring your the camera. Photo.
There's no SD card.
Oh, no.
Then I can't use it. So, kailangan ng the car needs washing.
Yeah, why didn't you wash my car then, bro?
Ako na naman ang project niya, bro.
I bought the car in May, bro. And since then I washed it like never.
What do you mean you buy a car? You mean you?
I bought this car in May. Next year.
Last year?
Yeah, in May. But not in May, in July.
July.
I bought it in July. And then it
then-
was washed. When I bought it, it was washed.
Yeah, so that means Ruth hasn't washed his car ever since he bought this car. Oh my God.
And one time I did the inside.
We
but
really need to clean the car, Bob, because Anna is inside.
I know the inside, but the outside I didn't wash.
Ayan, kaya makikita nyo yung sa sasakyan ni Ruth. Ayan, no? So anyway, I'll catch you later. I'll try to vlog when I'm at my Filipina friend's place, no? Galing na kami sa Asian store. Nakakuha ako ng UFC Filipino style spaghetti sauce. So We need to have it this week because it says it's good until February 11. So we
Really?
can't have it for Valentine's Day.
Why they still sell it then?
Yeah, it says February. So yeah. So malapit na kami. Ganan ko diri sa gusto ko dito sa ano no sa Dinmos kasi mga old pa yung mga buildings ba. Ayan. Close itong shopping area na to kasi lockdown pa kami.
Iba.
So, ayan, andito na kami sa Dinmos. But, stop lang kami saglit kasi nagdede si Ana. So, pupunta kami ng market kung may market man. Ayan, gusto yung mga buildings dito kasi old. Ruth, of course, is wearing his cap. He's hiding his perfect haircut. Di ba love na? Always take a video of the ground.
No. Here's Miss Gie. I take her on shopping. It's a good time because all shops are closed, so she cannot spend everything. In the BOSCH. Here's a little shopping area. Called Arena. What? Hey, hopefully I go to the ATM.
Okay. So, hinihintay lang namin si Ruth no. Nag-ATM si Ruth. Ajijuji! Abujubuji! So, ayan. Dito kami sa shopping area. At wala namang shops na open. Kasi nga, naka-lockdown. Oh. Muy Ana.
Bloemen.
Yeah.
Ah, it is market.
Yeah. Hey, that's where we sat last time.
Yeah. Here, fish.
Kibling. The first week. Was that first week? First week or
First,
second?
second week, I think. Yeah.
And then
We went to the.
market was open.
See, it's still construction with Xinjiang.
My market today is so exciting.
Schijnel is market too, but
Yeah.
this one is bigger, of course.
But the smaller one.
Yeah, of course.
Smaller market. There's a big, there's a long line.
Yeah, that's for bloemen. For kip.
So, si Ruth po ang nagbablog, no? Kasi hawak ko si Ana.
For a bit, and then I give it to you.
Smells good. Ana, can you see? Can you see? Hey.
Yeah, she's looking to the camera.
So, ayan no, maglalakad lang kami ba? Kay ayan, nasa market na kami guys. Ang daming masarap na pagkain. Masarap na Hindi ko lang yan. Si Rod ay
Sunflower pit or pumpkin pit?
sunflower. Si Rod po ay bili na ng tinapay para kay Ana. So, ayan yung bread na yan. Yan yung binibigyan namin kay Ana, white bread kasi soft kasi siya. Ayan. Ana is daming tao today. So many people today.
Yeah, that's a good thing in the market one. It's open, so at least you can go out.
Waro? Tumikig na naman, tumikig. I don't know what's Tagalog when you have stiff hands. Like, in Cebuano, we say tikig. It's better, Papa, if we just if it's just us, not like everybody. So ayan,
That's not.
Sa likod.
Otherwise, it's not vlogging, though. What's
Yeah.
do it yourself?
that's true. So yeah, lakad-lakad lang kami, no? Ayan, my fruits. Pag dito sa city, mas marami akong nakikitang Asians. Pero sa town namin, sa Schindel, I didn't really see so many Asians yet. There's a lot of people there.
Yeah.
Fruit and groente. So, gusto ko to. Sabi ko kayo, gusto ko ang building na to.
It says City Hall, I think.
Ha?
City Hall, I think.
Sobrang lamig. Makikita nyo? Nag-aso na. Ayan, may bili po si Ruth ng ng vegetables. Ayan. So, wait lang kami ni Ana. Wait lang ni Ana. May papaya, uy. Papaya. So, andito na kami sa McDonald's, guys. Mag-take away lang kami kasi take away lang yun. So, we're gonna close this vlog. I hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed, and yeah, ayan si Ana. And yeah, see you again sa next na vlog. Bye-bye.
Houdoe.
Please subscribe.